Duck fact, day 97. Ducks find a mate by using a dating website called nogeeseallowed.com. This is a website exclusively for ducks dating each other, and that's how they're so successful at reproduction. Use code DUCKLE at sign-in for 10% off your account on nogeeseallowed.com. Alright, so we started the topic of our video off with dating, love, everyone loves love, everyone wants some loving. That's exactly what our video today is about. This is going to be a little activity we like to call how to get a date, how to get a date. How am I going to get a date? Alright, so essentially, I am not a professional at getting a date, but hey, you know what? I've gotten them. I'm going to teach you the techniques you need to get your own date. It's really easy. And we're also going to teach you how to be successful once you're on that date. Because if you get a date, you successfully trick a girl into hanging out with you, or a man, hey, you do you, man. You go on a date with whatever you want to go on a date with. So pretty much what happens is, you got to keep that date entertained, right? You can't just go on a date and then you friggin' suck. I'm going to teach you how to get a date and keep a date successfully every time, 100% of the time. Let's start with tip number 1, being a good chef. Alright everyone, as you can see we're back in the Duckleberry kitchen, yeah? You remember this place? This is how we get the ladies, everyone. This is how I get all the ladies. You want to see? I'm going to do a little demonstration for you here. Are you hungry? You look pretty hungry, dude. Here, how about I have you over and I can make you a little snack tonight, huh? Oh, well, that's mighty generous of you. Are you sure you can afford to make me a snack at your house? I wouldn't want to impose on you. Oh, it's really no problem. I'd love to make you a snack. And then we can hang out. Well, thanks. I think I'll come over for a snack. It's that easy, everyone. It's that easy. Never forget to be confident. Confidence is key. Alright, so now we're going to say you have your little interest at your house. And now you've promised them a snack. And you don't know what to cook. What are you going to do? Here's 3 easy chef ideas to make you look like a god. Idea number 1. Eggs. Any form of egg, man. Seriously. Eggs are so easy. And they make you look like you know what you're doing with your life. You know what? If I take this egg and I cook it right now, I'd literally be seen as a chef. Because eggs are just too easy to make. And they look complicated with all the pan flipping. You know what I mean? You know what I mean. Number 2. Leftover food from anywhere else but your house. If you didn't make it, it probably is going to taste good. So serve them that. Because if you try to make them something for real, they're not going to ever want to talk to you again because it's going to taste like complete garbage. So how about you just say, hey, I'll cook you a slice of pizza, but don't microwave it. You better oven that puppy, because that's how you look sophisticated. Number 3, frozen meal or frozen food. If it's something that you can digest and eat and you keep it in your freezer, cook it for them. Because guess what? You can do it and they taste yummy, dude. Sure, frozen food isn't the most healthy thing in the universe. And sure, you don't look like a friggin' souffle master over here. But guess what you do look like? You give a crap, a tiny little bit. Because guess what you have to do? You have to read the instructions, preheat the oven, and then you put the sucker in there and it's over. So there you have it, folks. That's step 1 of getting a date. You get them over to the snack part of the date, and you make them the frozen or pizza or egg. No other options allowed. You either fry an egg, cook them a pizza in the oven. If you microwave, you might as well kiss them goodbye. But not even kiss, because you're not getting that far. And third, frozen food. Notice how everything I said has to do with the oven or stove? That's the key ingredient. If you're touching an oven or a stove, they're going to be so impressed with you. Okay, let's keep it going really quickly with step number 2 to keeping that date. Number 2, you gotta be a good cuddle master. Here's how to be a cuddle master. Let's get going. Alright everybody, here we are on the Duckleberry couch. And here I'm going to be teaching you how to be a cuddle god. Here we go. I'm going to start it off with position number 1 for being a cuddle god. Let's say this man right here is my date. Duckleberg. Duckleberg just chilling, right? Right there. We're over here and we're just watching some Netflix. We're watching like Wonder Pet Saves the World or something like that, you know, something mature. You want to be watching something mature so they are really like, this guy knows what he's doing. So, we're just sitting, right? Step 1, you want to make sure you don't touch. You do not touch on the first step, you understand me? Don't do it. Here's a little example. How's your day? I hope you had a good day. Whoa, look at that. Winnie, Tuck, and Ming Ming too, am I right? Did they really just get a call from an elephant seal? They're always getting themselves into these crazy adventures, right? Do you know what I found out? Did you know that Ming Ming is actually a girl? Yeah. I always thought that Ming Ming was a boy, but turns out Ming Ming was a girl. But hey, that's what happens sometimes, right? Alright guys, so you see that? That was pretty good. That was pretty masterful, if you ask me. So here we go, on position 2, let's get right into it. This is a more serious position. Don't move into this until you know for sure they're ready. Whoa, that was pretty cool on there. You know what I always thought? I always thought that my favorite character was Tuck, the turtle. Do you like turtles? Alright guys, so as you can see, stage 2, pretty easy. You just gotta cuddle. You just cuddle them up and you just kind of show them. It's not a cuddle move, it's more of a round the shoulders thing. Not too intimate, don't get intimate. You understand me? Just a little, that kind of thing, you know? Alright, position 3. This is a risky one. Don't do this one unless you have the biggest amount of confidence of any human being on the planet, because this one gets shot down by almost 100% of people ever, always. Unless you're married. But I'm going to try it on the first date. Don't do this. I'm going to tell you right now. Dating alert. Warning number 1. Dating alert. Do not try this at home. This is at least a 50 date position. Do you understand? Don't do this. Okay, so what happens if your date doesn't like these cuddle tactics? What do you do? Well, I'll show you what you do. Who needs a date?